Hey guys, Alex with Pacific Calls here, and this week on Smart Tips and Tricks, I'm going to go over 3 reasons why you need a whistle on your lanyard. Hey guys, Alex with Pacific Calls here on Smart Tips and Tricks this week, talking about why you need a 5-in-1 or Drake whistle on your lanyard. Reason number 1, versatility. They are super easy to use. You get 5 species out of the 1 component. Reason number 2, value. It's more bang for your buck as far as being able to cover a wider range of species. And reason number 3, ease of use, okay? Whether you are a new hunter starting out, a youth, anything along those lines, this is a great option for you to be more involved in the field and perfect your calling. The first thing in a Drake whistle is indeed making the Drake Mallard sound. It's really not difficult. All you got to do is understand the basic components. You've got the whistle you want to blow in the end that has the small wedge piece. There's a tone hole on the bottom portion here. You can elect to use it or not to use it. It's your call, but I'll demonstrate how it varies pitch. As far as a Mallard goes, the sound you're trying to produce is if you're using your grunt air and humming into the call. If you engage the tone hole in the bottom, you can definitely change the pitch of that. You can switch that up and go to a pintail if you have the ability to roll your tongue. That's all it requires. And again, engaging the tone hole. You can go to a Wigeon, which is just 3 short bursts of air. You can go to a Teal, quick short bursts of air again. And into a wood duck. All 5 super easy, don't take a ton of effort to manipulate, and can help you be super successful in the field this season. Thanks for joining us on Smart Tips and Tricks. Hope to see you next week.